Hi, I'm Jim Jubek, and welcome to today's Quick Pick. Today's Quick Pick is going to be Cummins, stock ticker CMI. They make truck engines. They dominate the diesel market. They're so good at riding the cycles here that they pick up share when things are slow. They then pick up profit when things are high. What's been really interesting to watch is that the company has been able to use the effort to clean up diesel engines to work to its benefit. That basically it's been investing enough in the technology so that it really pays the companies that build trucks like Peterbilt to buy their engines from Cummins as opposed to building them themselves. The reason this is interesting is because Cummins, as the big maker of diesel engines, is clearly facing a major cliff, which is that at some point, assuming that we have a planet that we can inhabit, we're not going to produce diesel truck engines at some point. So Cummins has been investing in electric truck engines and natural gas truck engines and in hydrogen fuel cell truck engines. But this is a Cummins chart. This has not been a great year for the stock. You can see that down, and Wall Street is sitting his head scratching there. Well, this is a dominant company. Are they going to be able to retain their dominance? The stock is up slightly for the year, but only 3.8%. I would note, however, that it pays almost a 2.5% dividend. So if you take the model from what Cummins has done with diesel engines to use that as a way to cement its dominance, I think you then have a model for what Cummins is trying to do going forward. If you are a big truck manufacturer, you're not going to go into the business of developing a whole new electric drivetrain or a natural gas drivetrain or a hydrogen fuel cell drivetrain. You're going to buy that stuff from Cummins. I think that it means that this is going to be one of the companies that again dominates these low carbon, no carbon transportation alternatives for the truck market. They're not making passenger cars. It's an entirely different ballgame. This is not a big part of the company yet, but it will be, and it will be profitable. So I think if you can look 5 years ahead and sit there and collect your 2.5% dividend, this is a really good stock for a long-term investor with patience and foresight. My free site is jubekpicks.com, and my subscription site with 6 portfolios instead of 3 is jubekam.com. Thanks for listening to today's Quick Pick.